Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your Android device supports Miracast or Google Cast, and that the target display is powered and set to its wireless input. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, or enable your phone's hotspot if you must. Next, open Settings and locate the Connection menu or Quick Settings tile labeled Cast, Wireless Display, or Screen Sharing. This is where you begin the actual connection process. Now you enable detection and search for the display. Pull down Quick Settings twice and tap Cast or Screencast. If it's missing, go to Settings, Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences to find Wireless Display options. Turn on the toggle for Wireless Display so your phone will scan for receivers. As it searches, you'll see available device names appear. Select the correct display name. You might be prompted to accept a pairing request or enter a PIN. To finalize, accept any pairing prompts on both the TV and your phone and allow necessary permissions for audio and screen sharing. Once connected, use the phone's display settings to adjust orientation, resolution, or scaling if the picture is cropped. If the connection fails, restart both devices and your router. Confirm they remain on the same network and temporarily disable VPN or battery saver modes. If audio lags or stutters, lower media bitrate or move devices closer to the router to improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.